Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, how are you all? A very happy lovely morning to all of you. जी जनाब, कैसे हैं आप सब? खैरियत से हैं? ठीक ठाक, वेरी गुड. अच्छा, ये बताइए कि अब हम क्या कर रहे हैं आजकल? हम न्यू चैप्टर पढ़ रहे हैं. हमने न्यू चैप्टर स्टार्ट किया है और कल हमने क्या किया था? न्यू वर्ड्स फाइंड आउट करे थे. ठीक है, आज हम स्टोरी टेलिंग करते हैं. ठीक है, फर्स्ट रीड द चैप्टर ऑफ द नेम. यस फादर, यस फादर, यस फादर. वेरी गुड. अच्छा, तो प्यारे बच्चों, इस चैप्टर में आपको पता है किसका जिक्र है? भाई, एक फादर और एक सन का जिक्र है. फादर कौन है? अकबर जलालुद्दीन जी, बहुत बड़े किंग ऑफ हिंदुस्तान. वो अपने बेटे जहांगीर को कुछ एडवाइस दे रहे हैं कि भाई अब आपने जब हुक्मरानी संभालनी है तो आपको किन किन रूल्स को फॉलो करना है. ठीक है, चलें अब हम देखते हैं स्टोरी टेलिंग में हमें क्या क्या बताया जा रहा है. ओके, वेरी गुड. Akbar was a great Mughal king. He ruled all the Indian subcontinent for many years. His kingdom included many countries of today like Pakistan, India and बांग्लादेश. यानी कि जो मुग़ल अकबर थे उनकी इतनी बड़े पूरे एरिया पर जो है वो हुक्मरानी थी जिसमें पाकिस्तान, इंडिया और बांग्लादेश भी शामिल है. During his time, India was one of the richest country in the world. Towards the end of his life, he called his only son to tell him few important things about taking care of the country and its people. जब उनके ज़िंदगी के जब आखिरी दिन थे तब उन्होंने क्या किया था? अपने बेटे जहांगीर को बुलाया था और वो उन्हें कुछ इम्पॉर्टेंट टिप्स या फिर इम्पॉर्टेंट बातें बताना चाह रहे थे ताकि वो बहुत आसानी के साथ पूरे हिंदुस्तान पर रूल ओवर कर सकें. अकबर, soon you will take my place as the king of India. It is important that you should know how to make this country and its people better. Jahangir, yes father, please guide me and I promise to follow everything you tell me. Akbar, you should make sure that our people get good education. Our people are more important than everything else we have. Education is the most important for our people. Provide people with the best education in the world. Jahangir, how can I make sure that people are getting the best education? Akbar, you need to build more schools and universities. At schools, they will learn to read and write properly. At the university, they will learn to become great scholars, writers, and doctors. You will also need good teachers. Give good salaries to them. Also give them respect. Make sure they have books and useful information to share with the students. Jahangir. Yes, father. I will make sure that there are schools in every village, town and city. What else you would like me to do? Akbar. Provide good health care of the people of India. Jahangir. What is healthcare, father? How can I make sure that he was the best healthcare in India? Akbar. Healthcare is all about making sure that people are healthy. See it that every one of our people can see a doctor whenever they have to. There should be medicine available at every clinic and hospital. Jahangir. I promise to provide the best education and health care to our people. What comes next? Akbar. People will do business or a job if they have good health and education. We need to encourage people to do business with making new companies and exploring new ideas. New business will create jobs, so the people who can't run their own business will get a job in a business managed by someone else. Do you know what you have to do to make sure people get a proper job? Jahangir. Father, I would like you to tell me that. Akbar. Make sure that all are safe. Jahangir. I will make sure that people are safe and happy. What else you want me to do further? Akbar. Make sure you are not strict with the people. Give them freedom. They will gentle with each other. If you will be gentle with them, let everyone follow their own religion. Don't force your own religion on another people. Jahangir. Father, thank you for giving me these suggestions. I will always remember them. Wow, कितनी अच्छी स्टोरी थी। आपको पता है, आपने देखा कितने ओबीडियंट सन थे जहांगीर, जो अपने बाबा के तमाम बातों को बहुत गौर से सुन भी रहे थे और उन्होंने उनसे प्रॉमिस भी किया कि जब वो बादशाह बनेंगे तो वो इन तमाम बातों को फॉलो भी करेंगे और बहुत अच्छे से लोगों का ख्याल भी रखेंगे। ठीक है प्यारे बच्चों, आपने क्या करना है, आपने ये स्टोरी अपनी टीचर को भी सुनानी है और अपने बहन भाइयों को भी सुनाइएगा। ठीक है, और क्या करेंगे भाई, अपना बहुत ज़्यादा ख्याल रखेंगे। ठीक है प्यारे बच्चों, हैव अ नाइस डे, अल्लाह हाफिज़।